Good day, nosy people. So now if you come fast now my box because me just telling you me excited because my jerk seasoning finally come in from the jerk stop. Yes, me crave some curry chicken and jerk chicken, all of them things. So for those of you who can't cook and want cook Caribbean food and Jamaican food and getting a jerk seasoning right, only need to go up a Walmart or Amazon and look for the jerk stop and get them seasoning. You hear me? It easy for cooks. Anyways, mums can't cook for me today, so me get the next best person, me auntie, cause she a big chef. So anyway, me tell her, say me precise and me is very particular. So hold on pan the seasoning. Don't over season it, please. Me don't want me jerk chicken for salty. You hear me? So anyway, wanna know so me sick for the past couple of weeks. So every minute them a come feed man soup, and manish water, all type of thing. No, me need protein. You hear me? And for those of you who don't know me are the original Jamaican boss baby Royce. Don't forget my R, please. Listen here, auntie. Little bit more sauce, please. Me don't want my chicken too dry. You hear me? Anyways, so me excited, man, because you know my mum, she half Jamaican, half American, or sometimes she don't know how to do the right and proper season. I'm tired of a drive to yonder, just forget the right season. So me excited, say, you have a company called the Jerk Stop where you can either them there Louisiana, by the way, so if you live in New Orleans, go on, they go pick up your seasoning, or you can order it again, on Amazon or Walmart. So anyways, me excited, so it come in a properly timing. Me nose a run, me ready. Koya, alright, hold it. Why Jamaican people love cut up and put so much veg pan the chicken? Me tell us me want vegetable, me not tell us me want protein. Me want protein. Me look. Auntie, hold it. Me get a taste now. Me make sure it right. Come. Yes, You could put a little bit more seasoning, but it's alright, as long as me thing not fresh. Alright, put another oven, hurry up, me hungry. Put another oven. Sure, me just yet better people for cook for me, you know, because them act like yeah big them for sitting. But so anyway, so me make sure me check pan the chicken and a time for we go make the proper sauce. One thing with the jerk stop, you can get multiple different seasoning pan it. It all come with oxtail seasoning, but that is a next video for you next time. So anyways, come and me show you for make the special sauce. You go take the jerk chicken sauce, make a big college or chicken sauce. You go put it and mix it round and make a nice little glaze to put by your chicken because me's not that type of man who like my chicken dry. If it dry, me nah yam it. So anyways, for those of you who know we can't cook and need a husband, watch the video ya and learn. You hear me? Learn. So you go glaze up your chicken, come tired of the dry chicken, you glaze it up and make it nice and saucy. Yes, make sure. Hey, auntie, apply it over panda chicken over there. So yeah, here. Rub it in there good and nice. Me like it for be saucy. Me very particular. Me tired for telling you that. But I like my chicken any type of way. So when me go to Jamaica, them better know what a jerk spot. So anyway, chicken done finally. After a whole long me I sit down and I wait cheese and peas before I upgrade the oven. So anyway, look how them nice and pretty. Get a look close up. Quick, again with the carrot. Me look like I bone it to you. I come garnish me thing. Me no want nothing garnish here to put on the plate, man. Cheese and peas. Jamaican, every little thing you know if you put carrot pan. Eat, and I can't just left it be. Me just eat me thing. We are pretty tough for we are try sure. Eat. I will pay not try squid out my type of food, you know, cause me ask if you have ever cook this for me. Me never ask if you share to the whole entire world, you hear me? So anyways, guys, check out the jerk stop. The jerk stop when you can't get to the season and learn to cook a good meal for no husband and a future husband. Or wave, are you here? Look how my chicken pretty and nice. No awesome, Tell them boss baby say no.